To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. If you're worried about entering the career-driven world that is today, or are looking for a new direction or hobby in your personal life, it's important to know that there are a few skills that are always needed in any industry. Companies are always on the lookout for people with creative skills that can bring value to them. The beauty of creative skills is the fact that you don't need any qualifications to learn or work with them. You'll find that you can now easily learn all of these skills online for free, be it on YouTube, blogs, or online courses. Without further ado, here are 5 creative skills you should learn. 1. Writing. Writing is the process of putting words together to create beautiful literary pieces. With the advance of technology, the demand for writing skills has increased because content is king in the technology-driven era. Therefore, if you learn to write strong, engaging copy, you will set yourself up for success. 2. Video editing. Video editing is a useful skill, not just in the film industry, but in any industry that requires digital marketing. To learn video editing successfully, you need patience, a knack for detail, good visual sensitivity, and some rhythm. You can enroll for online courses to learn video editing, or simply find some tutorials on YouTube. 3. Web design. The key to a good website is both its aesthetic beauty and its ease for user interaction and experience. Therefore, a good web designer must not only have a good eye for design, but also understand the psychology of human behavior when it comes to online activity. With many businesses and organizations striving for an online presence, the demand for web design skills has shot through the roof. Wondering where to start? There are many online courses on Skillshare, Teachable, and Udemy for those wanting to learn web design. 4. Photography. Photography is the art of creating beautiful pictures and is a skill that takes time and repetition to master if you want to do this professionally. It's a skill that will certainly come in handy for the far future, just as long as humans continue to have eyes. To learn photography, you can enroll in online courses. However, the best learning will always come from practice. 5. Video editing. Yes, we know that photo editing seems pointless now that we have Instagram filters. However, the art of perfecting a raw photograph cannot be understated. For example, a website with a blurry image can create a negative impression for the business it represents. Photo editing helps a photograph tell a story, and in some instances, it can be a very powerful one. A popular piece of software to learn is Photoshop. You can download a trial version and pick up some tutorials for free online. Do you know other creative skills people need to learn? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.